trees around Randolph Air Force Base is part of an overall habitat management plan that we have in conjunction with the 502nd Air Base Wing to help reduce the amount of white-winged dove, mourning dove that are threatening our T-38, T-1 ops off our east runway. The overall plan is to reduce the canopy of the trees and by either trimming them or removing currently the dead, disease, and dying trees from the circle housing area of Randolph Air Force Base. And right now, focusing primarily on the trimming portion. So again, just reducing the canopies out in circle housing. The human risk to not trimming the trees is an overabundance or a growth in the population of the white-winged dove, mourning dove species. If one of these flocks were to go across the east runway and a T-38 or T-1 were to ingest one or multiple birds, it could severely affect the engine, even cause the aircraft to come down and causing the pilots to eject. That aircraft then becomes a threat to off-base housing and the residents off-base. But once we get the habitat where we want it, there will have to be an ongoing maintenance of the trees. We can't just let it go back to where it is now. So this will be an ongoing process for years to come. By reducing the amount of doves, we reduce the amount of potential aircraft strikes and damaging strikes to our aircraft. And that will save the Air Force hundreds of thousands, not millions, in the future.